What if I told you your stomach growls even when you're not hungry for a totally weird reason? Your stomach growls because your body starts a powerful cleaning cycle inside your gut. It's not hunger, it's actually muscles squeezing air and liquid, which makes that loud rumble. And it's loudest when your stomach is empty because nothing blocks the sound. But before I reveal the final fact, hit like and subscribe, or your stomach will growl at the worst possible moment today. So in the end, your stomach growls because your body is doing cleanup, not hunger, just maintenance.